It's a huge step in the fight against the coronavirus. Governor Jared Polis announced today all Coloradans over age 16 will be eligible for the coronavirus vaccine by the end of this week. Tonight, we have 2 reports to tell you how this impacts people right here in Mesa County. Fox 4's Lena Takata starts us off.
That's right. The governor says starting Friday, April 2nd, all Coloradans ages 16 and up will be eligible to get the Pfizer vaccine, and Coloradans 18 and up will be able to get the Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines. Colorado is on track to getting everyone who wants a COVID vaccine vaccinated by mid to late May.
And achieving this level of immunity that we hope to in the next month or two and ending the pandemic really takes all of us working together.
The time frame is made plausible with the announcement by Governor Polis that all Colorado adults and some teens will be eligible for the vaccines by the end of this week.
Not everybody can get it in that first week, right? So you will get it, whether it's the week of April 2nd or the following week, the week after that.
The director of Mesa County Public Health says Mesa County is having some trouble filling up all of the available slots to get people in priority groups vaccinated.
A couple of weeks ago, we opened up to everybody, and then the state wanted us to back off and pace ourselves because our site is one of 6 of the state sites.
So this announcement is great news with the timeline a few weeks sooner than anticipated.
We were glad to hear this because we were looking at mid-April for that to open up.
And it brings us another step closer to winning the battle against the pandemic.
So we just want to make sure we've got ample availability of vaccine to everyone in the county, and by opening up statewide beginning Friday, that makes that much more realistic.
A recent survey from the state health department says twice as many Coloradans intend to get a COVID-19 vaccine compared to last year. But that's not proving to be the case for Mesa County, according to local public health officials. For more on that story, here's Jillian McCarthy.
That's right, Lena. Vaccine trust is up statewide. The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment reports 88% of Coloradans would get the vaccine. Now, back in September, when the state conducted a similar survey, that number was only 32%. Despite that data, Mesa County Public Health says vaccine appointments aren't filling up, given the amount of supply the county has. So the health department wants to get the message out that if you don't qualify yet, or if you were a part of a previous phase, you can still go online and fill out the vaccine interest form to be contacted for an appointment.
Recently, Mesa County Public Health has seen a dip in vaccine appointments.
Our vaccination site on Thursday and Friday had its lowest days, and considering the availability of vaccines, so we were below 1,000 both Thursday and Friday.
Jeff Core, Executive Director of Mesa County Public Health, says the county has enough supply, but there's a gray area when it comes to eligibility that's making some people confused.
We've been up to 1,700 doses a day. We have the vaccine available to us, so we've got to get this figured out, this confusion with this priority process.
Jeff Core says despite what priority group you're in, you could still sign up to get your name on the list for an appointment. And if you miss your group, it's not too late to get vaccinated. The health department is working on updating the layout of its website to make it more streamlined for folks to sign up for a vaccine.
We are changing that, making it more simple, making it more out there, because the bottom line is that if you sign up today on the interest list, we're going to give you a call tomorrow.
The recent survey from the state health department indicates 20% of Coloradans say they wouldn't get vaccinated. That may be tied to how fast the COVID-19 vaccine was developed, but a local physician is reassuring the public.
The process of reviewing data and getting the data together was expedited, but the process wasn't changed. They still had to go through the same safeguards and the same type of trials that they would have had to do for approval prior to COVID.
At the end of the day, getting vaccinated is a personal choice, but Dr. Taggart says it's key to keeping our communities safe.
I can't stress enough how important I think the vaccine is and how important it is that you really consider getting it to protect yourself and also to protect your loved ones.
We have more information on where to sign up for a vaccine, as well as a link to Mesa County Public Health's vaccine interest form available on our website, westernslopenow.com. For Lena Takata, I'm Jillian McCarthy, Fox 4 News.